All right, so we're gonna do a little bit of self-massage on the glute muscle. So the glute's a big muscle, fan-shaped. You wanna kind of avoid that bony part of your femur. So there's plenty of ways you can target the muscle. They're all great, so whichever one feels comfortable, feel free to utilize that. So we're gonna start off with just a little straight leg, working through the glutes here. You can even kind of roll side to side. And then to increase the intensity a little bit, we can cross our legs, putting pressure on that leg that's crossed. And you want to just kind of roll back and forth. You can get a little deeper into that piriformis muscle here too. You can give yourself some overpressure. And at the same time, you can bring that knee towards you, really attack those fibers from a different direction. And at the same time, there's a great soft tissue release technique. You can kind of straighten out that leg, bring the knee to the chest, and kind of work it through while you pin and extend those fibers.